To start the waistband for the bomber jacket, you will fold it in half and make sure a notch is right in the middle of the bottom. And if you're using a rib knit, there's no right or wrong really, but if you have a right or wrong side, you will, this is the bottom of the zipper. You'll place the wrong or the right side of the fabric on the right side of this, and then fold it over and match that notch with the bottom seam. And then you will start a 1/4 inch below the top, so about right here, and straight stitch it on all the way to the end without leaving any space on this side. So when you're done, it should open up to the right side to look like this. There's going to be that little extra piece here, and then this will be fully closed on the other side. And we're going to do the exact same thing to the other end. And that should open up to look the exact same. So with those two ends sewn now, I'm going to go into this inner corner on the inside right here and clip into that seam where the seam ends. So you'll angle up and create about a 1/4 inch of seam allowance there. And that's what that extra 1/4 inch was for the front. So now you'll fold those two together. And from the front, it's looking like that. So fold those two together, and starting right at that same seam, sew in about 1.5 inches with a straight stitch. Just like that. So this is going to meet that seam here, right at the corner. And then from the outside, it should look like this with little to no pucker right on the corner. So do the same thing for the other side. Okay. Now that corner is sewn in too. Now you have the waistband folded in half like this. And you'll just fold it up so it's sitting on top of the raw waist hem right here. And line up that back notch and pin together. So from here you're going to start serging. So you'll serge from this, or the main fabric, so you can see this line here. Because you're going to want your serged seam to merge right onto it. So the waistband's folded up like this. And you're going to just merge the serger into that line. So there's going to be a small part here that's not serged, but that's fine. And then stretch the waistband. And at the other end here, you're going to do the same thing, lining up the waistband, except here you're just going to merge off of the waistband. Okay, so you can see here that part of that inside waistband is not sewn. And the serged seam is just merging right into that straight stitch. But from the outside, it should look completely finished. Same with this side. And then when you go to top stitch, you will catch that in your seam.